How to change contact order on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Contacts and tap on it. You are now in the Contacts Settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how contacts appear. Scroll down and go to Sort Order. Here, you can choose the contact order that you want. Select any order. For example, first, last. Then, go back and go to Display Order. Here, you can select the contact display order that you want. Following these steps, you can easily change contact order on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.